All right. All right, so we're starting afresh, right? Now, what I want to share with you, what I want to share with you is something I spent years to learn and develop. And as I can tell you, it's working for me and it's working for a lot of people. All right. Now, what I see.
I'm back, sir. Sorry, sir.
Are you back?
Yes, yes. I thought you want to send something to my email, as you said. So I was waiting in my email. So
Okay. I actually sent to your email, but
you didn't deliver it.
it didn't get to you. Okay. All right. Okay, I've seen you. So how do I do it? Where is the option? Where is it? I'm seeing make host. Is that it?
It should be co-host, not host, because
What I'm
it should
seeing
be.
here is make host, not
You don't
co-host.
even need to make me an host. If you just click on that three dots where you see recording in progress, those ones, just click on the more and you see disable annotation for others. It's okay.
Okay, it's showing now. It's showing.
It's just you don't
I've
need to.
disabled it. Yes.
Exactly. It's just it. Okay.
It didn't show before, but now it showed. Thank you very much. Okay, so like I was saying, what I'm sharing with you right now, it's something I took years to master. All right. Because one thing I found out is that for trading to work for you, you must understand market structure. That
Yes,
is
sir.
the leverage a lot of traders have right now. That's why
Yes,
I
sir.
see some traders, they are growing, they are making it. Now, what they've been able to understand is to balance the structure, the movement of the market. They can read the price from the higher time frame to the lower time frame.
Help us.
Understanding price from the higher time frame. Am I the only one that cannot hear? Guys, can everyone hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good.
We can.
So, okay. So what I will share to you today is what I took years. I'll be trading for the past 8 years. And within that 8 years, I've tried a lot of things. I've failed, I've made it, and I've also got to a point where I was confused, where I don't know my left from my right. So what I want to do to you, show you guys today is something I've been able to develop and is working for me. And if you apply it, you will see it work. Right
Yes,
now,
sir.
the problem a lot of traders face is that
Can we mute? Can we let everybody mute?
Please, everyone should mute their mic.
I thought I even did
Somebody.
this. Oh man, this guy is stressing me today. Let me see. There was a place where I did that mute for. Yes, now I did it before. Why is it not working? Okay. All right. So what I see traders do is they are in a hurry to build strategy. They are in a hurry to learn SMC strategy. They are in a hurry to learn ICT and all the rest. But the foundation which they need, which is market structure, they don't spend time to learn it. And most of these trading concepts will not make meanings to you if you don't understand market structure. Right? Now, a lot of mentors have taught market structure in a way that It looks complicated. They will mention so many big names. You hear inducement, you hear mitigation, you hear decisional, you hear indecisional. To the extent you begin to hear babusment, mamusment, and occusment, which makes it difficult. In trading, we are doing only two things. We are either buying or selling. These are the two things we do in the market, right? Now, when you see price high, what do you look for? You look for a sell opportunity. When you see price low, you look for a buy opportunity, right? So these are the two things we do in the market. And when you go further, you understand that inside these two things we do in the market is nothing, is not even more than support and resistance. We sell from the level of resistance. We buy from the level of what? Support. This is all we do in the market. Now, when you are buying from the level of support, it means that price has been oversold. When you are selling from the level of resistance, it means that price have been overbought. All right, but when you are doing this, when you are selling from here, I'm coming. When you are selling from here, it means that you are going against the direction. If this is actually how price is moving. If price is moving up and you are looking for a sell opportunity, it means that you are counter trading. You are going against the main direction. What you should be looking for is what? A bullish opportunity, a pullback, and what? You continue. Because by this happening, markets have already given you what? The direction. So all you need is what? An opportunity to join the direction markets have given to you. So the mistake a lot of traders does is that they want to be buying from here. They want to be selling from here. They don't know the main direction of the market. If this is your swing high, this is your swing low, right? And price is at this place. And price is at this place. 80% of, they will even say 80, 90% of time, if price is coming back, it's going to crash this place. Because the direction is what? Bullish. Which market structure has showed us? The structure has shown us that what? The market is what? Bullish. So the next time price is coming to this place is 80% to 90. It will crash it and continue going up. So when you don't understand structure, you'll be looking for sell here, not knowing that the main direction is what? Bullish. So that brings me back to what? Market structure and what? SMC. What is market structure? Market structure is the movement of the market, is the direction of the market. Market shows you if price is buying or what? Selling. That is what structure shows you. Now, the mini structure shows you that yes, the market is buying. All you have to do is what? Look for the structure. Identify the structural high. This should be your swing high. Identify your structural low. This should be your swing low. Okay. Then the next thing is identify the breakout that happened. This should be your breakout. So you label it what? Break of structure, which is BOS. Now, after you've gotten these three details, the next thing you need to see is what? A pullback to a key level. Now, that pullback to key level, this is where you want to what? Buy from. Because already the market are giving you direction that it is bullish. So what you are looking for now is an opportunity to join the what? The bullish movement, which is what? A pullback to this level and continue. But now, after you've gotten your direction, 1. 2, you've gotten your key level, which is 2. Then the third one is, once price comes to your key level, you don't just buy immediately. You need a confirmation to know if price is going to buy from this level, if buyers are going to come here or not. That is where SMC comes in, right? That is where SMC comes in. Number 1, first, the structure will show you the direction of the market. Now, when you want to buy, you need confirmation to buy. That confirmation is now what we call SMC strategy. Now, what SMC is telling you is that if this is your key level, on 4 hour, what do? We mark it what? We mark it as key level and we label it what? H4. The moment price comes to this our H4, what we want to do next is what? Get a confirmation to know if this place is going to push price upward, because price can choose to come here, crash this place and continue selling. By that time, it has trapped you. So what we do is what? We look for confirmation to enter. That confirmation you need to enter, that is what we call SMC strategy. Now, what is SMC strategy? SMC strategy is market structure, is the shift of order flow, is the shift of structure after price get to your key level. Immediately it comes here, you want to see what? A shift. But remember, this is 4-hour time frame. This shift, you don't want to see it on 4 hours. You want to see it on a lower time frame. Now, 4 hours works with what? 15 minutes. So the moment price comes to your key level, what do? You drop to 15 minutes and you wait for what? Change of character. Now, this change of character gives you a confirmation that this key level is going to hold price. What do? This is likely to be our main swing high, right? So this becomes our swing high. So what we do next is, from these 15 minutes that are giving us change of character, we look for a buy opportunity. Just drop it. Sometimes you don't even need to do anything. Just pick your Fibonacci, drop it at the level of 50% of the range, then target 1:3. The 1:3 can be the what? This swing high that is there. That is what you are going to target from 15 minutes time frame. So this is the confirmation you need to know that what? This key level is going to hold. Without this key level, you don't enter, because if you enter, you are likely going to trap yourself in the wrong direction. So for us to get a confirmation, that is where we need what? SMC. SMC says what? Wait for market structure shift. You can see the structure is shifting from the downside. Once it comes to your key level, you want to see a bullish shift. After that shift, you enter from 50% of the what? Breakout. Right? Now, once this shift happens, you are going to have swing high. You label it your swing high also. You are going to have swing low. You label it your swing low also. You are going to have what? Break of change of market structure shift. Are you seeing it? The minute you have this on 15 minutes, remember, 2 time frame. The main time frame is what? 4 hours. The entry strategy, the time frame is what? 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, the minute you see market structure shift, look for 50% and target this high here, which is the 4-hour high. Right? Then, if you know what you're doing, you can refine it to what? The other block of this 15 minutes, so that when price come, it can pick you and go. In this case, you make 1:6 to 7. So this is what I'm teaching you. This is the SMC strategy. This is how it works. Okay. Now let's go further. What I want to teach you guys today is how to use pullback. All right. Now, what I see traders do is after they see a break of structure, immediately they start selling for pullback to happen, right? Now, let's say price gives a breakout to this high. This becomes our break of structure. This becomes what? Our swing low. Okay. Okay, this becomes our swing low. So immediately they start selling from here because they want to trade pullback. But if you are trading with 4 hour, before they know, price will still kick them, go, get to somewhere here before the main pullback will happen. So what I teach is this. If you want to trade pullback, remember this is 4 hour. This is the key level you are waiting for. Okay. If you check from here to here, the distance is far. From here, swing low to the swing high, this distance is far. So what do? You look for opportunity to trade what? The pullback that is going to happen. Now, by trading this pullback, remember, this should be 4 hour time frame. If you want to trade this pullback, all you have to do is what? Drop to 15 minutes. This is 4 hour breakout, but on 15 minutes, you will be seeing market structure shift. The minute you see a shift like this on 15 minutes, it means that pullback is about to happen. What do? You look for a key level inside that 15 minutes and sell. And that sell you are selling, your goal is to target 1:3. The minute you get 1:3, you exit the market. Because price can choose to reverse, can pick you, come this down like this, and start to buy again. So you don't wait till price get to this level. No. Where you want to catch the reversal is from this first market structure shift. This is where you want to catch your reversal. Remember, when we did the premium and discount, I taught you guys this thing up last week, that if price is at the level of premium, you want to sell. If price is at the level of discount, you want to buy. So when you get a breakout like this, if you want to trade the pullback, you see this level, this is when price is at overbought. This is where you want to catch your what? Pullback. So by using 15 minutes, you will see when the pullback has started. Then you enter and target 1:3 or anything you want to target and leave the trade. Now, let's go to a live chart. Let me give you an instance. This is 4 hour, right? Let's clear the chart. After this 4 hour, if you look clearly, this is our main swing low. Okay, this is our swing high. Okay, then this right here is our breakout that gave us what? Break of structure. Now, if you check from the back, you will see that price has been what? Bullish. Price has been bullish. Then we got what? This breakout. After this breakout, what do we want to see next? We want to see what? A pullback. But this is our high, this is our low. What do? For you to trade this pullback, you have to drop to a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, how do you know pullback is about to happen? Now, if you see those that struggle to sell from here, their account is going to blow because they are forcing pullback. Now, how pullback is going to happen is on 15 minutes. You will see this eternal structure shift. The minute you see this is a sign that pullback have started. Right? So you mark your low, mark your high, right? This is our breakout. This is excuse me, this is our breakouts that gave us what? Market structure shift on 15 minutes. This is our high, right? This is our low, okay? The next thing you do is what? You pick your order, because this is where you want to sell from, not here, not here. You want to sell from the extreme zone, right? So what do? You can set your order at 50% of the breakout. Someone says zoom in. Okay. Okay. Now you want to pick your order from 50% of the range. Then you do what? Target 1:3. Remember, the overall direction here is bullish. Okay. The overall direction here is bullish. So if you are selling, you don't have to hold the trade for long, right? So when we do our premium to discount, what do you see? Our sell is within what? The premium level. So you want to sell from the premium level, because this is where you can cash a good sell. Not here, not here. This is the first place you need to cash the sell. That is one. Now, if you check now, you will see that price is already at what? The premium level. Now, this is where you want to buy. Are you seeing it? So what do we want to see next week? We want to see what? The market structure shift. Come back here, give us a buy opportunity. Then we'll enter and target this side. But remember, today class is on what? Pullback. When you see a deep push like this, go to 15 minutes, wait for market structure shift. Target your 1:3. Okay. Now, this is one example. Let's go to BTC. So I can show you that this thing works everywhere. It works everywhere. Now, on Bitcoin, remember, first thing you drop to 4 hours. So let's clear our charts. Okay. We drop to 4 hours. Now, if you can see clearly, the market is what? Bullish. This is breakout. This is pullback. This is where the breakout happened. This is pullback. And this is what? Another breakout. So what do you do next? Oh, this person calling me, he doesn't know we have limited members. So this is our new high breakout, sorry. This is our low. So we label this break of swing low, right? Okay. We label our swing high. Okay. And this breakout here as our break of structure. So when you get a breakout like this, what do you expect to happen next? It's a pullback. So what do? You pick your Fibonacci, check from your high to your low. This is the area. This is where you want to catch your pullback. Inside here. This is where you want to catch your pullback. So what do? We drop to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we want to see market structure shift. Okay, now let's go. I believe a lot of you guys caught this trade. I believe a lot of my followers caught this trade last week. So let's do this. So this is a pull down. This is a failure to create higher high, right? Price created what? A lower low. So this is a break to the downside. The minute you have this, it's simple. Identify your swing high. Identify your swing low. Okay. Then identify your breakout, which is what? Your market structure shift here. Okay. So this is it. Simple. The next thing you do is what? look for your key levels. All right. Your key level can be anywhere from here to 50%. So you pick your settle, drop it, then target what? 1:3. This is it. No stress. Immediately you get 1:3, you leave the trade because what you are trading is a pullback. What you are trading is a pullback. And your range, you must make sure you are in what? Your pullback, the pullback you are taking should be in the premium, not the discount, if it's buying. This is simple, guys. You apply it every day and you see how trading will work for you. The only challenge here is if you don't understand structure, it will be hard for you to apply these things. All right, so I'm going to mute you guys so that we can talk. After taking your what they call it, your messages, we go. Your meeting will end in 10 minutes. I'm already done. All right, so let me unmute you guys. Take your question and we leave.
Hello, sir.
All right, Chief.
I want to commend you for the job well done. So I just want to make a suggestion, please. A question first. Please, do you have a YouTube channel? So we can keep going back and going back. You know, this thing one has to keep looking at it to train one's eyes and to get used to all these charts of the thing.
Only my students have access to my videos. Only my students. I don't because what I'm teaching you is nowhere. Hardly will you see anybody that teach this thing the way I teach it. Hardly. So for now, I'm keeping the information private. Yeah. All right. More questions before we go.
Okay. Can I come?
Yes, sir. Carry on.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me for my English because I'm calling for Burkina Faso. I'm speaking French. Okay. I want to know how to identify the swing high and the swing low, or how to identify the high and
the
low in the structure, because you saw plenty peak and plenty down. I don't know.
Okay,
to identify the right one, how to do it.
That's your location, right?
I say I'm from Burkina Faso.
All right. Thank you, Chief. Let me give you answers.
Je parle français.
Okay. Now, the problem is a lot of people have been taught how to trade swing high and swing low. But when it comes to the practical aspect of it, they are missing out. They add too many things on the chart that makes it complicating for them to identify the swing high and low. After you get your breakouts, all you need is your high and your low. Every other swing inside is called eternal structure. Eternal structure. So by telling you like this, you will not understand it. You need to be taught the step-by-step guides to identify the swing highs and the swing low. And for what I do with my students, sometimes it takes them 3 months. It takes some 1 month. Why some 4 months, they still have not gotten it right. So it depends on your individual self to be able to do the practical aspect of it, to know where your challenge is coming from. So giving you answer directly will not fix it. You need a proper guidance to get it right. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Merci beaucoup.
All right. Because what I see a lot of traders do is they pay attention to many highs. You don't need all the too many highs. When you start mapping your structure correctly, you will start identifying the high that is valid and one that is not valid. And that is where eternal structure and minor structure comes in. All right, so thank you. Any other question? We have less than 5 minutes. Let's be quick about this.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I'm still coming back, but I want to confirm. I hope all the information to join your inner support to become your students are on your Telegram group, right? Thank you very much.
I'll take serious people. So when you're ready, you just chat me. I'll just ask you some few questions to see if you are the type of student I take before we go ahead. Because not every class of people I take. If you are very new, I don't take new people. I need people that already have experience so that when it comes to teaching, it's easy for them to understand. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chief. All right. 2 more questions and I leave you guys.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so in marking the premium zones in the...
I've given you guys my 2 entry models. I've taught it here. So if you need it, drop it on the comment section, on the Telegram comment section. I will tell you how to get those 2 webinars. I've taught you guys how to use 50% as 50% Fibonacci as entry. I've taught you guys how to use key levels for your entry. So if you need any of the past videos, send me a DM. I will tell you how to go about it. All right. One more question, Chief. Continue.
Boss.
Okay, carry on, carry on. Let's go, let's go. It seems the network is affecting some persons. I need one more person to speak before we go.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you, Chief.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your work. I want to ask now, for this BTC now, for that point now, is it on sale or buy now for that particular place that the BTC is now?
I don't get your question. Can you paraphrase?
For that particular point now, on this BTC now, is it to buy now, that particular point now, or sell for that particular point now that it is now?
Now, you see,
Can someone pay from that place now?
That is where what I'm teaching you comes in. If you understand what I'm teaching you right now, you'll be able to know those things. All right? First, you need confirmation. You can't just go there and start selling or buying. You need to know the confirmation you need to see, which is what I've taught you guys. You need to know how to follow structure. The confirmation you need there is shift of structure, not just seeing because price is there, start selling or buying. If you want to buy, you need the structure to shift bullish before you buy. And all these things, if you don't
understand structure shift downside. I'm seeing structure shift for that side now. To go to 15 minutes or even 5 minutes.
Time frame alignment. Time frame alignment. Now we have less than 2 minutes. I have to do this before I leave you guys. Guys, let me tell you this. Just follow this. Forex trading is not easy, but it can be easy if you understand market structure. Market structure is the foundation. You saw these questions you're asking. The minute you understand structure, the whole of these things will be simplified. All right. So what I will urge you is learn how to restructure the right way. Now my time is short. I can't push. If not, I would have taught you guys more things, but I can't push. But what I will tell you is take 6 months of your life. Learn market structure the proper way. Don't be in a hurry to make money. The problem a lot of traders are having right now is because they are in a hurry to make money. So they end up not learning the basics which they need. market structure. Once you understand market structure, every other strategy will start making sense. Every will make sense. But if you don't understand market structure, you will be struggling. And in order for this to happen, I've set up a platform for you that can help you earn while you are still learning. I've been able to set up copy trade for you. All you need is link your account to that my account. It's a very safe trading. We don't trade to make. Sometimes in a week, we don't trade. Why? Because we look for good settings. There's a copy trade. You can copy my account. There is trading robots that can trade for you. Systems are there to help you make money while you take the next 6 months of your life to learn how to do this the right way. All right, my time is short. I have less than seconds. If you have any question, contact me on Telegram. Send me a message on Telegram. The live is going to cut anytime soon. All right. Thank you very much, guys. It's been a nice time with all of you guys. Bye.
Boss, I have a